Peace, good people. I want to thank you for tuning in. I am Fufu Lauren, and today is Wednesday, April 7th, 2021. We're going to go ahead and tour Eyes Art Gallery, which is located at 402 South Street, Philadelphia, PA, 19147. So when visiting Eyes Gallery, it's like stepping into a 3-story magical portal filled with handmade crafts from all over Latin America and Asia. Crafts of Guatemala, Mexico, Peru, and India lives up the space. The owners, Julia and Isaiah Zagar, has a strong love for Latin American art, folk art, which is the art of the folk. So the Zagars worked as craft developers within a Peace Corps, and with that they would bring home gifts, one-of-a-kind handmade treasures, and established Eyes Gallery in 1968. Alongside of that, Isaiah Zagar has the Magic Gardens at 10th and South, so that's 1020 South Street, Philadelphia, PA, 19147. It's a magical place, so if you're ever in the area, just check it out. Peace, good people. I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I post. And until next time, peace.